Newly discovered pasyalan here in Santo Tomas, Batangas. Santo Tomas, Batangas has been significant progress in the recent year. Dahil sa strategic location and economic development, it becomes city in the year 2019. Dahil dito, it increases numbers of industrial parks, manufacturing companies that brings a lot of job opportunity and boast development of real estate industries. Isa na dito ang The Peak at Limabresa condo, which is developed by Axia Developer. Nestled at the foot of Mount Makiling in San Antonio, Santo Tomas, Batangas. Ang ganda ng locations nito, which for sure bring a lot of job opportunities nearby and will be the next Tagaytay of the South. For only 10,000 monthly, you can be the next homeowners of this mid-rise condo. And dito nga namin na-discover ang coffee shop nearby na super relaxing, at kung naghahanap ka ng fresh na lugar where you can feel tranquility, this place is perfect for you. Ang chill lang ng lugar na ito, which makes the place special dahil napapalibutan ito ng mga puno that brings you along with natures. Parang Tagaytay vibes lang. Pwede ka bumili ng food sa kanilang menu and rest dito sa kanilang cabana. During the night, meron sila ditong acoustic band where you can listen to their music or makijam na rin. Sabi ng staff nila, 5 months pa lang sila operating, pero super dinarayo ng mga tao. Nag-a-accept din daw sila ng mga events and where you can celebrate your birthday na rin. Kaya ang laki ng magiging investment growth ng mga properties sa lugar na ito. Kaya mga ka-home finders, invest wisely in Choose Santo Tomas.